How to create multiple Gmail account without phone number verification. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you want to create multiple Gmail accounts without going through phone number verification every single time. In this video, I am going to show you all the working methods to do exactly that in 2026. Let's get into it. Important thing to know first before we start here is something crucial to understand. Google does not officially require a phone number during account creation. It asks for one mainly to verify you are a real person, to use as a recovery option, and to add extra security. So there are completely legitimate ways to skip it, and I am going to show you all of them right now. Method 1. Use the skip button on mobile. This is the easiest method and works really well. The Gmail mobile app asks for a phone number less often than the desktop version, and the skip button appears more frequently during mobile signup. Open the Gmail app, tap your profile icon, select Add another account, then Google and choose Create Account. Fill in your name, date of birth, and pick a username. When you reach the phone number step, look for the skip button and tap it to move forward without entering a number. Method 2. Use a recovery email instead. When you reach the phone number step during sign-up, look for an option that says Use email instead or Add a recovery email. Google considers a recovery email just as secure as a phone number for account verification, so when you provide one, it will accept it and let you skip the phone step entirely. Enter any existing email address you have access to and continue with the sign-up process normally. Method 3. Sign up through other Google services. This one surprises a lot of people. Instead of going directly to Gmail to create your new account, try starting the sign-up process from Google Drive, YouTube, or Google Docs. The verification algorithms work differently across Google's various apps and services, and signing up through these platforms increases the chance of the skip button appearing at the phone number. Give it a try next time you hit a wall on the regular Gmail sign-up page. Method 4. Use incognito mode on PC. Google tracks your browsing history through cookies and cache, and uses that information to decide how strictly to verify new accounts. Opening a fresh incognito window removes that tracking history completely. Press Ctrl-Shift and N to open incognito in Chrome. Go to the Google account creation page and fill in your details from a completely clean session. A fresh, untracked session significantly reduces the chance of Google flagging you and demanding phone verification. Method 5. Switch your network. If your current IP address has been used to create multiple accounts recently, Google may flag it and require phone verification as a result. The simple fix is to switch networks before signing up. Connect to a different Wi-Fi network or switch to your phone's mobile data hotspot and then attempt the account creation again. A fresh IP address that has not been associated with multiple signups will often let you breeze right through without a phone number prompt. After creating your account, once your account is successfully created, without a phone number, make sure you add a recovery email right away. Go into your Google account settings, find the security or personal info section, and add a recovery email address you can reliably access. This protects your account and gives you a way back in if you ever get locked out down the line. And those are all the working methods to create multiple Gmail accounts without phone number verification in 2026. Use the skip button on mobile, provide a recovery email, sign up through other Google services, use incognito mode on PC, and switch your network if needed. Try them in order and one will definitely work for you. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.